Hello friends, today we are learn capital letter alphabet A to Z and number with color name. So let's start. Black color, orange color, sky blue color, purple color, yellow color, red color, biscuit color, light green color, dark green color, and blue color. Let's draw. A. A for apple. B. B for balloon. C. C for candle. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. H. H for helicopter. I. I for ice cream. J. J for joker. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for mango. N. N for net. O. O for onion. P. P for peacock. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. S. S for sunflower. T. T for tiger. U. U for unicorn. V. V for vase. W. W for water. X. X for Xmas tree. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's learn again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Light green color, black color, peach pink color, purple color, orange color, blue color, sky blue color, yellow color, dark green color, and red color. Let's learn. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's paint. A for apple. B for butterfly. C for cow. D for doctor. E for elephant. F for fingers. G for grapes. H for hand. I for ice cream. J for jam. Red. K for kite. L for lemon. M for mango. N for nose. O for orange. P for pencil. Q for quiet. R for rainbow. S for sun. T for train. U for unicorn. V for van. W. W for wheel. X. X for Xmas tree. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zero. Let's learn again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Orange color. A for apple. Blue color. B for baby. Light green color. C for cow. Yellow color. D for dog. Red color. E for egg. Yellow color. F for frog. Blue color. G for grapes. Light green color. H for horse. Yellow color. I for island. Red color. J for joker. Orange color. K for kiwi. Blue color. L for lion. Light green color. M for mango. Yellow color. N for nose. Red color. O for octopus. Orange color. P for peacock. Blue color. Q for queen. Light green color. R for rainbow. Yellow color. sunflower. Red color. T. T for tree. Orange color. U. U for unicorn. Blue color. V. V for volcano. Light green color. W. W for watermelon. Yellow color. X. X for X-ray. Red color. Y. Y for yo-yo. Orange color. Z. Z for zoo. Number draw. Blue color. Number 1. Light green color. 2. Yellow color. 3. Red color. 4. Orange color. 5. Blue color. 6. Light green color. 7. Yellow color. 8. Red color. 9. Orange color.